Most people get this wrong. They think Final is just another payday advance or buy now, pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Final has evolved into a full-featured financial platform offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and spending management tools to help you manage money responsibly. Here's how Final works. First, it allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over a few weeks with flat, predictable fees instead of high-interest charges. That makes budgeting more predictable and reduces financial stress. Final also provides dashboards, alerts, and reminders, helping you track spending and upcoming payments. These features encourage responsible use and reduce the risk of late fees. The downside, overusing Final can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying too heavily on the app might hide deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments and alerts. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Final. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits could pay more than they save. In conclusion, Final in 2026 is a practical and flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and actionable money tips.